जरूरत पड़ने पर कंटोनमेंट की बरखी और पानी की सरबराही को रोक देने वजीर इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी तारक रामाराव के गुज़िश्ता रोज असेंबली में दिए गए बयान पर एक सियासी तनाज़ा खड़ा हो गया है। बीजेपी के तर्जुमान कृष्णा सागर राव ने इसे मुखालिफ मुल्क बयान करार देते हुए उसकी मजम्मत की और संगीन अवाकिब का इंतबाह दिया।
Only regarding few civic issues which are long due. There is a method to resolve those issues instead of threatening the Indian armed forces. Mr. KTR should understand he is bound by Indian constitution and he is holding a position in the Indian Union in one of the states. He is not the minister of an enemy state to threaten the military. Now this is unbecoming, unwarranted and uncalled for. And Minister KTR should also understand that what he is talking is completely political and he should not be drawing the military into politics. And the entire country today understands after KCR's attack on central government and Prime Minister Narendra Modi that they have a purpose and an agenda which is politics. Now to draw the military into that is unwarranted. And it is a low-level politics. And he should know the limits which he cannot cross. Minister KTR should also learn and go back to the books that there is a law called Cantonment Act established way back in 1960s that it protects the rights of the military establishment in these areas for the larger reason of the national security and the safety of the military establishment housed in those areas. Now, by making threats like this is jeopardizing the security of the military establishment in these areas. Now, the actual issue is the failure of the state government and especially the minister himself who is connected to the municipal ministry. He is the municipal minister. So if he has issues, civic issues which are connected to the roads,